Yo, what's up, guys? It's the One Chance crew right here. We bringing you the first episode of One Chance podcast right here. Let's get into the yapsish.
And after our friend Doom here just broke all our zero fans ears, and 90% of y'all out there just left. Hello, the one person who's left. I'm sure your name might be Michael. Michael. So hello, Michael. This is for you because Doom just broke everyone else's ears.
Sorry about that.
Hello, I guess. Doomed, take it away. What do you want to talk about today?
Yo, guys, let's talk about the new trailer we just posted. You know, nah, I'm joking. Let's talk about hot takes.
I'm really cancelled right now, guys.
Hot take.
Hot takes to one chance SSB. My hot take is... I don't think I have any actually.
Yes, you do.
What's
You
the hot?
don't like fucking ketchup.
Ketchup tastes like freaking shit. Okay. It
Nah,
looks like
I'm
shit.
pretty-
It tastes like shit. And it's freaking bad.
No.
I
Nope.
have to say, I have a hot take. I don't like tomatoes and cucumber, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Bro, I
You
get
can't tell me
actually
to do that.
stupid. I'm actually imbecile right now.
But I love ketchup and all things you use with tomato in it. I love it all. But when you add only by yourself, it's ass. I don't like it, bro. What with you? What with you, Vampira?
Vampira.
What's your thoughts?
What's your...
I have eaten toast with chips.
Toast with chips.
Yes.
That's
That
crazy.
actually sounds so good though. Honestly, I would love it. I would do that.
Would you smash it?
I put 2 little chips on it though, so I could barely taste it.
What chips you use?
Just D4 chips.
Oh, so some just salt on the chips.
That's all the chips, okay. That's
Okay, we gotta talk about something. What you think of salt and vinegar chips?
Det var simpelthen gerne lukke døren.
That's the most shit thing ever. I hate it.
I think I
hate
tasted it one time. I didn't like it.
I don't like it at all, actually.
It's like you know eating pineapple on pizza. It's like that, bro. Some people, like a lot of people, hate it.
You
but
will not.
Actually like it, bro.
You will not diss my pineapple on pizza, okay, bro?
I'm just saying, there's many people
It
who
can be eaten.
like
Okay?
it, and
I would.
a small
much-
amount. It's a small amount of people can eat pineapple on pizza. Some
say-
people doesn't
say-
like
I would
it,
say-
bro.
It can be eaten. I would much rather have a pizza with like ham and pepperoni on it, of course, in the week, always. But sometimes a pineapple on a pizza is actually amazing, okay?
Then I have to talk about something, bro. Pineapple pizza is like putting kiwi on your pizza or apple, bro.
There's a
Think
big
about that one.
difference between putting apples on a free.
I'm just saying.
Let's agree
For
on one
us-
thing, though. Let's finally agree on one thing. Potatoes on pizza is a big no.
Never tasted
I
it.
haven't. I haven't tasted it, bro. So
It's the worst
I'm
thing
saying
ever, my friend.
I'm open to the idea, but
What do
it
you
sounds
guys
kind of
think
but
about-
I'm open to try it. I'm actually
What do
open
you
to
guys
try
think
it.
about
Yeah.
chips on pizza? And to you Americans out there, it's called crisps.
Crisps.
Crisps. Our good old chips.
It's Britain that it's called crisps, my guy. What you on, bro? What you on?
I don't know, bro.
What you on, bro?
Not the internet, not books, not info. That's not what you're saying.
Yeah,
bro.
I'm on everything, my friend.
Bro's good at
before we-
it.
Before we diss me, okay, Doomed, what is your worst? Hear me out.
I- um, um,
This is awkward.
Please
I can
don't say
tell.
a 5-year-old child. Please just say something nice. Just say something.
Your mom. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Oh
I'm
my
joking.
god. You did
I'm
not just
joking.
say that, my
I'm
friend.
joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Vampira. I'm joking. I'm joking.
I don't believe you.
It's all fun and games. I
Until-
don't know, bro. I only have good takes, you know, like Elastigirl, bro. I can't say I have bad take, bro.
Vampira, I think his hear me out is like Nick 30 or something.
Bro,
Do you
it's
have a crush on
it's
Acacia, maybe? I think I have a crush on
uh,
Acacia.
bro, it's the lamp from fucking Pixar, bro. Sorry about that, bro.
Of course.
The late from Pixar.
Bro, it knows what it's doing, bro.
Guys,
It knows what it's doing, bro.
guys, hear me out, guys. Pengu the Penguin.
Stop,
No.
Oh,
Uh,
nah,
What's
bro.
wrong with you?
You want
I
that,
think
bro?
the lamp
You-
is weird.
what
I'm
am I
sad.
hearing, bro?
Do you want a
I'm sad
lamp?
I
At
don't have
least
good
my thing
sense.
is alive.
Yo, folks, how's your mom, bro?
Sad.
I'm he's raging right now.
She's sad that she has to
Oh
hear this.
gosh, I
Uh,
hate this, bro. Fuck you, bro.
Bro, you're just
Fuck you, bro.
bro's ruining the couch.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Vampira, we gotta talk about something.
And that is
What you think of Elastigirl? I have to hear, bro.
who?
Elastigirl.
From The Incredibles?
Yes.
Mid as hell. I don't care about her.
What?
I don't give a singular hecking fuck.
That's crazy.
I don't like the fact that you put in survival mode. I guess you're gonna kill me soon. But she is mid as fuck.
No, I just wanted to be like able to like punch each other if we had like a better deal.
You know, maybe we should talk about what
One
I
chance.
spent on a new mouse. I think that's a good topic. I spent 800 and nah, bro. Nah, bro.
I was actually thinking about like
That's crazy.
we should talk about One Chance about like the new trade actually. It's called One Chance.
Oh, wrong, bro. Sorry about that.
Let's
I am standing with absolute noobs.
True. Let's
So we're
Yeah.
back.
back
Sorry.
after a quick break.
Quick break.
Quick break, you know.
As I was saying,
As I was saying,
As I was saying, guys, what do you guys think about the new? What do you think about the new One Chance quick trailer, guys? We put out two trailers now.
folks, I gotta say, bro, that
Boom.
video, bro, we should have used replay mod at that, bro.
So
just saying.
my question to you now is the new One Chance SMP trailer is a smash or pass?
I would say maybe Smash.
But here first, folks, this guy wants to smash
Smash
an
this one.
MP4 file. It's only
Yes,
fine.
he does. I'm not gonna lie, knowing this guy, that's not a surprise.
What's this part? These are no surprise at all.
What am I hearing, bro? My friends
truth
are
on your
dissing me,
vanilla.
bro. My friends are literally roasting me for just existing, bro. So,
That's our entire friend dynamic. Just dissing each other all the fucking time. It's nothing new.
we should talk about chapter 1 disappearing. What we gotta do
Oh,
about that, bro? We can't do
We can't do
nothing.
anything about it though. We honestly can't. Like, the Watchers just like, not the Watchers. They took it from us.
Yo,
Okay.
so we can't watch. We can't get more leaks in the new One Chance, bro.
Everything about
They removed all.
chapter 1 was removed by them. They removed the last chapter.
But we have made chapter 2, so you practically don't need chapter 1. That is-
exactly, which was only
I
planned
wasn't in
before.
chapter 1, but I heard it was shit.
True.
Crazy.
Crazy. We already decided when we switched to English that like we would do so chapter 2. You don't have to like learn Danish to like understand it. It was a stupid idea if we did that. Don't worry, everything will be explained just like as if it had never happened before. You don't have
What
to.
do you think of the release date? That's the next thing I want to talk about. What do you think of next year, January, bro?
That's in 3 months.
I'm
you know.
hearing no.
It's in 3 months.
True. You know what's 1 month or 19 days or about that? That guy over here, he is officially getting a birthday party, bro.
Yes.
It's his birthday, bro. It's the 2nd of November. So guys, on the 2nd of November, go to this guy right here. Go to him and go on Twitter. Say happy birthday, folks. I know you're about to steal that purse from Doomed. Just say that, bro. He's gonna steal everything I have in my
I suppose
pocket,
it is time to like do it actually because I'm the one who's going to like release all of these videos. So in the description of the YouTube video and in the description of like the podcast on Spotify, there will be an email which will be his private email. So if you want to like join One Chance SP one day, the best way to do that is to write the longest application ever in his email. So just write his email.
Nah,
The longer the better.
it could actually be funny if I made a new email. I said you should send everything, make that email, so I get the messages, and we can watch through people applying.
You should all apply. You can apply to One Chance SMP by going to his email, which will be in the description. I suppose. It will. In the YouTube description, it will be there.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying. We don't have
SMP
applications open.
We don't.
They're closed. Season 2 will get the application before season 1 ends. Like
a few weeks.
2 weeks or more.
2 to 3 weeks. About that will be applications open. And then we will take like the 3 or 4 best ones and add them to server.
Or more, but right now at least 4 people.
At least 4 people will come in. If that many people apply.
What if like 2 or 1 person applies? We got we got 2 more members, guys.
Oh my god.
Yo, let's get ready for lore. But it actually could be fun,
Actually,
having more members.
Fun, it could be so goddamn fun.
Kind of off topic, but I'm eating chips. Can you hear that or not?
No.
Nah.
No.
Okay. I just
You're quiet
don't want to annoy anyone.
You're quiet as fuck, bro. We can't hear it.
Thanks.
Let's talk about folks missing toenail.
Huh?
I know. I had to just like put in a Discord a join sound in hopes that someone listening to this was like on Discord with their friends, and I just wanted to like see if someone like people get mad at us for like making them think they would someone to join the Discord up call.
Yo, guys, text if you're in a Discord call right now. Just say something, flirt with your homeboys or something, right here. 1,
yes.
2, 3.
And
I guess there is that homeboy.
And please do let us know if you actually got around to like Messing up
right
your
back.
homeboys, and if you got a new boyfriend or girlfriend from this video, please go and tag either me or Doomed or the One Chance SP account in it, and we'd love to hear your guys' service. And please send Doom's private email pictures of your relationship with us. Doom would love it.
Or just send me random pictures, bro. Just send me. I will watch through it every day and see what you've sent me. Please, we have some rules. Don't say the N-word or like any bad. Because I'm maybe
I
gonna
think you
go
also
through
go
and
in and like send him the most horrible things ever.
One stream. But I'm gonna watch everything before I open anything else. I'm gonna watch what is no good and good. So if you send me nothing that's gonna get me cancelled or something, I'm not. Folks, can you stop?
Sorry.
I'm trying to talk here, bro. I'm trying to talk here.
Talking in a podcast ain't no way, bro. I'm that kind of person, bro. Ain't no way.
Ain't no way, bro. It's talking in 2025,
Ain't
bro.
no skibidi, guys.
Yo, off topic. What you think of the strongest muscle in your body is?
Isn't it like the one like is it like your arms or is it like the one behind your ear? But I think the one behind your ear is the smallest one. So I don't remember. Is it the biceps?
May I say it?
Or is it the triceps?
I think Vampire is gone. But I'm gonna say
is it the thighs?
Your jaw.
Your jaw.
It's your jaw.
There's no way this belly jaw of mine is the strongest one, guys.
I read a little bit on it, but it's the jaw, bro. That shit, it can
Doomed.
It can break a lot, bro.
Doomed.
Yeah.
Now that the stupid listeners don't actually see our faces.
Okay, folks is making funny faces on Discord right now. I'm just saying.
I can like move my entire jaw to the side so that it is like half inside. Who do you think you are?
But
going up to my house with a trick or treat? Oh, you little bastard!
But I'm just saying, we are technically, we're on a Discord call right now. Of course we are. What we also on?
Audio listeners.
We're on a Discord call.
Audio listeners, we love you guys to bits, but if you're watching on YouTube, please do like comment on the video, like if you like if you wanted to do something funny for like Halloween or something. We could like I don't know, do us up as like another SMP or something fun.
Or I can take my Halloween skin on.
Maybe.
Now you said it.
But like, it would be funny if you like dress up as like the one SP account, dress up as like a different SP actually.
Yeah.
Like,
What's going on?
Like, find everything their own. Just copy the speaker and say we're a parody account now.
So folks, we gotta ask you something. You know, you're the owner of Lore News. You know, you were on our SMP first. I'm joking. You probably was on other SMPs before. I know. I'm just saying.
Oh, I was on one of the SMP before chance, but like.
But we always. You're a. I turn my head and I see your skin, bro. That's the funniest thing I said, bro.
Audio listeners, we love you all. I just changed my skin. I still like turned around to see my new skin. I was so surprised. I hope you can like figure out how to like put a subtitle on this thing.
If you ask me, I don't know, bro.
Oh, fancy.
I don't know. But I know one thing though. What's your thoughts about?
You remember season 3, guys? Oh my god, I remember season 3, guys. It was the most peak one ever, guys. We're so excited, can't watch it more. Once they have removed it. And before you are asking
Um,
who is they, it is the one at the top. I know Army Doom is the one at the top, but like, not at, but at the top of the cover ladder, they've like removed it for different reasons.
I'm just gonna talk about it.
No, you're not. What
We could
happened was
rank each season, and number 3 will still be the worst season we ever did, in my opinion.
I mean, the big bad
You
was our the way we actually played the game, but Season 3 had potential to develop into better than like Season 2, but what happened was that there were different people that didn't want to continue on the season, and people getting dead. They got dead in the entire season, so we are just going on to Season 4 and 5. The plans in Season 4 and 5 were already like in motion. There were plans about what had happened in Season 4 and 5. I had plans, other plans for the like the Season 5 ending, which ended up actually happening. So yeah.
But we actually planned not to do any more one chance episodes. You know, we was actually making. We had one episode of season 6.
Was removed. We
removed. We removed it because we thought in season 5 we should make if you made a season 6 it would no lore. But we backtracked and made chapter 2 because
Doom likes lore and Doom loves viewers. And Doom loves numbers on his pretty little 1440p screen. The P60Hz screen. So
I'm just saying.
That's more
it's good, but that's not it. I you know, it was the management issues. I think we thought of switching to Outlaw, but you know it killed this after we didn't make lore. It killed it. So we decided to add a chapter 2 and make lore.
Chapter 2,
but this time, I'm sorry. You can talk.
Chapter 2, that would be like as I basically like got Doom to like sign a contract legally making me an owner of One Chance V also. Doom.
You were the owner before.
Before you're asking Doom, I made you sign it while you were asleep, so it definitely counts. It definitely counts.
I have not signed shit, bro. I have not signed nothing, bro. But I have said at Folk Studio has One Chance under technically One Chance and One Chance Group, because One Chance Group is where we will upload this one. But because One Chance SMP, the channel, we will
only be for the SMP. Since One Chance Group will also make other things that just like the SMP. There'll come more things in the future, guys. So don't worry about that.
Yeah. Right now we only have the podcast as the other one.
There will come other things,
but that's all.
Like small sketches, small videos, small whatever. It's just us while we're not doing lore. So and like
he doesn't own his character though.
Let's say we like go on and like play for this, let's play Warriors together on or anyway on this SMP together as a group. We'll put it onto the group account, not the One Chance.
Yeah, if we play party games, you know, it's a One Chance Group.
Yeah, see,
it will be on.
We're gonna play Garlic for a Jackbox or whatever. We will put it on the group account. So don't stick around for just us goofing around, being silly goobers. Then go subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yeah, subscribe to One Chance Group if you wanna see more of a silly little podcast or something like that.
Always subscribe and follow to our Spotify account, Spotify podcast account. I think it is the superior account to make podcasts on. But like, if you like to watch the video of us just talking, then We always do that, honestly. We don't do funny stuff in the studio. Whether we blow the entire thing up at the end of it.
I don't think, bro. If we do that, we gotta build it all over. I'm joking. Maybe we sometimes switch our place, but right now we're on. But right now, I'm just. Are you planning to blow this up?
Since neither audio or video music can see what I don't assume if we're gonna take it back over the server, but we kind of can't be already filming. So next time, if we can get Doom so I can make it back over the server, we might see something funny in the studio.
Yeah, so I'm saying maybe we sometimes switch where we are, you know, in we are currently in the trailer world. I know,
Yes.
pretty peak. But maybe we switch, make a new studio at Vampyr's location.
Yeah, over in the Vampyr's location, we'd make a new one. At like when it starts, we might make a studio like in the 121 Spawn Town. Maybe, who knows?
Or we make a studio in Alex Ball.
Alex Ball in Lore Festival one day. Whatever we might do. I would see one chance group like actually going up to the Lore Festival, like if actually like doing a live podcast there actually, or something.
Oh, a live one. Oh, it could be fun, but you know, also we can also do a booth. You know, at maybe should we leak Lore Festival?
Honestly,
have you
a company
it?
news article will come out on the website in a few days. Once I get time to make it. So we need to talk more with the board about stuff. So there's a bunch of corporate stuff happening.
Have we accidentally leaked Lore Festival?
Lore Festival was announced that it would happen before we talked about it at the board meeting, so I think it's fine.
Okay. So we're not gonna speak on everything on Lore Festival. Maybe we're gonna be a part of it because Folks Studio is owning Lore News, so we technically have to be there.
Not as in people be there, not as a part of Folks Studio, but as an SMP on their own. They'll have their own booth and not just be part of the Lore News of the Folks Studio info board.
But we will not talk about more of the Lore News. Or
stuff. That will be coming on the website at some point, on the Lore News website at some point.
Because this guy right here, he is Folks is, you know, he owns Lore News and everything, so he knows what's gonna happen at Lore Festival. I also know because I'm a part of the board, you know, being an owner that does nothing. It comes with the terms of going to the board meetings.
Yes. Thanks for the copyright strike. We love it.
I think I'm Batman is copyright actually. I'm not sure I think it is. Either way, it's under 3 seconds, so it's 3 seconds at a time, so it's so fine.
Yo, I hope no one gets offended by this, but I'm just gonna say it. Yo, folks, how's your day, bro? So,
emotional damage.
Yeah. I think we should stop using sounds.
I think we should stop with the soundboards actually. But you know.
Nah. Your eyes is just pretty. I'm joking.
Let's actually stop now. Before you.
Let's stop. I'm always doing something stupid.
Wrong as be.
It's a part of me. It's funny to see. Every time every time I switch my head or turn my head to Folks, he always sometimes has a new skin on.
Oh my god.
So
the
I
video
think
users
the
will
next,
love-
the next topic is gonna be why folks has so many skins.
Should I count the skins I have, like the different skins I have in my library? On the essentials?
Nah, I think, guys, you should guess how many skins he has on essentials. If you guess it right, folks is gonna follow you right on Twitter. Yes, that's right. The folks is gonna follow you on Twitter if you guess it right. It's the first person, so if more says the right thing, it doesn't count. It's only one person. But he is allowed to unfollow if you does something cancelable. Just saying. Folks love this. Love when I and he
That's
hasn't
funny.
accepted. So I'm just saying maybe he's gonna not say no. But you know, we love it. We love when it happens.
I wonder why
What
you're
it-
still alive. How did you survive this long?
True.
We gotta talk about the missing.
I have a question
Fix.
though.
And
Doomed?
I'm stuck.
How are you going to survive One Chance chapter 2 in English if you can't even talk English at all?
Bro, what are you talking about? Bro.
It was that moment he knew he fucked up.
Yeah,
I'm just
he
saying,
fucked
bro.
Up, guys. He fucked up.
I hear from a lot of people I sound American. And those people are people from Delulu Fortnite. I know. I play Fortnite in 2025.
Called you an American once you realized that there was every nationality inside of this stupid country.
Bro, calm down, bro. Calm
Anyway,
down.
Guys,
Let's not talk about politics. That's a heavy topic, you know.
I just said that all Americans are stupid. Guys, you got the money that we basically need over here, so please send us money, guys.
Yeah, but they still though. Oh, I'm joking.
Also,
Hey,
send some money to my Ko-Fi.
I have a challenge for you. Eat this. While in
I
survival
can't.
mode.
I'm not hungry.
I don't care. Wait, let me help you to get hungry.
No.
Now, you should get hungry.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I think we should talk about
Eat it.
a new topic. So folks, you got a new topic?
Eat.
Eat it.
I gave him
Nice.
hunger, guys.
Eat the powerful fish.
Yo, guys. I got hunger, but I'm not hungry right now, bro. That's crazy.
Get hungry faster. Eat
I
it.
can't eat it.
I don't care. Eat it.
I gave you hunger 6. Get hungry.
I'm trying right now. I can't eat it, bro. I can't
Run
eat
around
it.
like a psychopath.
But I want to sit down.
I don't care. Just jump around like you love dependent on it because it does.
So let's stop jumping, folks.
And here,
Yo,
man.
guys.
And
Hello,
here.
guys. Find folks.
Find
Guys, can you
folks.
guys, can you find folks?
Can you find me?
Where is
he,
folks?
Is he
Guys, can you
here?
find
Is
folks?
he here?
Where is
Or is he
folks?
here?
Press
Can you tell
where
us?
folks
with the
is.
screen? Here? No,
Is
that's
folks
wrong.
here? No.
If you
Is
found
folks
folks, folks, you should totally
That's not
like this
folks.
video. Anyway,
Is he here? No.
Doom.
Where
Doom,
is
can you
Where is
get me out
folks?
from here? Get me out, thank you.
Nope.
I think we're done with the bit.
Have you done with that bit?
Yo, guys.
It's just,
Have you
Next podcast.
Have you ever seen?
Guys, next podcast episode we will be taking a look around. It will be like with just us filming normally. It will just be us taking a tour around the one chance in P City. Showing us some of the things you didn't see during the trailers and whatever. That'll be the next episode though.
So you're saying it's technically like a listener only.
Next episode will not be next episode for the podcast will be a 1.5 episode. It will be a world tour of their space.
Okay. You can also just say it's just a showcase. So it's not technically a podcast. You can just showcase the world. You can just say one chance lore, one chance trailer world review or showcase, as they say.
Yeah. But yeah,
we have posted some memes about something
that we should try to explain. We might go through some of the memes. One of the things is actually that I've got some questions about on Discord about what some things we posted on. Some of the things we posted on the Twitter account for One Chance SMP. And no, all of our posts isn't canon. We didn't play, actually, Fortnite isn't canon to One Chance, guys. Stop DMing me about that, you freaking imbeciles. Thank you.
So guys, folks are saying his picture of his toenail is canon, guys. I'm joking.
No, it isn't. But what isn't canon is the One Chance. What do you call it? The picture of you playing Fortnite isn't canon, and your which 10 out of 10. But it lacks hydration, I would say, actually.
I'm saying that's actually a part of the video because if you can say in a minimal on the milk, there is a code. I'm joking. That's nothing.
Audible does a bit on the video that will come to YouTube, and that would be a a picture of like his fridge, I guess. I don't know. I'll make him put that in. Please do that, Edler. I'll give you a 2% discount next time you buy something stupid from me. But yeah, next topic, guys. Next topic.
We got many more topics. We got one. Okay, Vampira. What's your first thoughts of the trailer?
Pretty neutral, but it was.
Are you interviewing someone?
Like usually. But there was still some copyright shit in there.
We gotta talk about Jimmy's part of. We know we're getting copyright striked, but we actually kept it in. Yeah, at some point. But we actually
kept it in. I want to say that YouTube's AI didn't think it was copyrighted, so we're good for now. I don't think one of those videos or whatever will come and like copyright strike us for a freaking sound clip.
I'm just saying. We just edited it because of the fun of it.
Yes. Just because of the figure.
So the soundtracks are not a part of the lore, or maybe we only added the soundtracks.
The Mission Impossible soundtrack isn't part of the lore. The rest of them are. That's basically what I'm trying to say.
Yes, thanks. I'm.
English is not my first language. That's why.
It's not our first language, you freaking imbecile! Oh my god, guys, this guy right here.
Just so you all know, every person on One Chance right now is Danish. So we got a lot of Danish people. We need more.
Imagine
more variety. We need more variety.
Variety.
Variety. We know what you mean.
Thanks.
I'll actually leak something, guys. The only reason Vampire is still here is because we needed variety.
Yeah, we got one female on One Chance.
So if
That's
you, my friend, are a
crazy.
female and want to join Winter Season 1 is almost over and apply.
Oh my god, the amount of variety and whoa, there isn't it one
There's so
single
much variety, bro. We are 4
So
boys, but
much.
boys and 1 girl.
Just so you know,
Wait, we
if
have
you're female and
5?
applying, you're highly getting taken because we need
Variety.
say the
Yeah,
word,
we know
bro.
what you mean.
Right.
We
want
need
some
variety, and women are very rare apparently. Variety.
Yes,
What are we talking about? Yes, variety.
Rare,
Yeah.
we need
Wait,
we need
wait,
rare for nah.
guys, there's another thing where a variety in me. I am 1 out of 8% Norway. Yeah,
Norwegian.
yes. Could fucking pronounce
That's
that shit.
peak because I'm something percentage German, guys. We're living life right now, guys. So much variety.
I think
Doomed
I think
is,
I'm a full Danish person.
no, Doomed is probably 50% Scandinavian, and the rest are like some freaking African country. Yeah, I think you're thinking Doomed comes from like Chad or something.
But I can say I have a part of our family is living in Canada.
Guys,
They're
I
not
actually-
technically
yeah.
Canadian, but you know some of them are they're born there. So take no, then they are technically Canadian.
Guys, if this video gets 50 likes, I will get Doomed to buy us my heritage actually. All 3 of us.
I don't care about that shit. If we get that amount, I want you two can take that heritage shit, and then I want some fries from McDonald's or something.
Dig, we do that. Doomed is Doomed got the money, so Doomed will pay for that shit.
But what if I wanted the fries?
Then I don't care.
Then you can buy fries for yourself, but on top
I
of the
picked
2
back meats fries.
I'm gonna reach
Okay,
out to
my fries.
my heritage, and maybe we could get a partnership going on, and we can, I don't know. It will be peak actually.
What's happening here, bro?
We should we will get Doomed to buy 2 my heritage sets from me and Doomed, and then we will see where you're from. So I assure you guys, Doomed is from Chad or something, or Egypt or whatever.
So I'm just saying right here, new topic. I know it's odd, but I'm getting my driver. I'm doing I'm getting my license, my driver's license. So I
Yeah.
can.
Are
drive
you
a car right
finally
now.
getting your podcast license? Oh my god.
No, my driver's license.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
So I can.
You can buy some McDonald's and drive us.
Yeah, I can drive all of One Chance around around Denmark, you know. I can't get to Germany right now. One thing, I don't have a passport. That's expired.
You have a passport, what
Like-
could you imagine?
Listen here. If we can do it, we can get a dog's passport and make you look like a dog. And I have 1 passport. Anyone who doesn't have, we just make some dog ones or some shit. Or make some fake ones, I don't know. Then we can go to Germany.
No,
Can buy
oh,
candy for
or I
you,
just
Are you in 4K?
I just
right
have to
now?
renew it.
Are you right now in 4K suggesting that we commit fraud and say that he's a dog?
He's a dog.
Guys, you heard it here for you
fucking
first, guys.
dog,
We are committing fraud, and if you're the police, no, we don't. Big joke.
Guys,
I'm-
Rarity, he's a dog. Oh my
It's a
god.
dog.
I'm just gonna renew it at some point,
Yes.
and then I can just say, "Yo, guys, let's get to Germany, guys." And then you all hop in, and we could drive to Germany, you know.
Dude. I want you to drive us all to France just to buy 1 single croissant for me.
And 1 baguette for me,
Come
okay?
Let's
All-
go to
all the way
I'm not
to
doing that.
I'm not
to
doing that.
Paris, and then we gotta go buy stuff, okay? With your money, with your
I'm
credit
not doing
card.
that. I'm
With your
I'm
credit
not
card.
doing that, bro. I'm not doing
I
that.
need
I'm not doing that.
ramen from Japan at some point, and you're gonna drive me.
to just drive him to Japan. How will you ever drive to
I'm
Japan?
driving you to the island.
That's why
That's
I'm saying
crazy.
it.
Bro is going to like
Build a bridge.
food entirely of Russia and I take a ferry to Japan or something, bro. I know what
I
bro's plan
know
is.
there's water between the rest of land and then Japan and shit, but
Dude.
I want him somehow to drive us to Japan directly from here. Like make him build a bridge or something, and then we can go back.
Yes,
and then drive
yes. Doomed,
Full on
make a
suffering this
bridge,
guy.
dude, make a bridge. Build a bridge.
Yes. Build a bridge.
Build a bridge simulator, they're coming soon, guys.
All this suffering just because he's getting a driving license.
Yes.
So, Vampiro, what you probably got something you want to say. How's that leak from 2 months ago? You leaked your character from 2 months ago.
I don't
We
remember.
read your comment.
Oh, yeah, that. Yeah.
Maybe you got it. Maybe that was a dumb idea to leak. Say that because maybe you gotta your full name is on the account, so maybe you gotta edit it so it maybe says something else.
Well, fuck me,
Oh.
dude.
So you don't get doxxed. But for you guys,
Doxing.
For you guys,
before this video, before this podcast,
definitely.
Before this podcast is out, it will be changed, so it will not be the name anymore. You can find it once this video is out.
But you know,
No, I don't
wait
know
a
how
second.
to change the names, but just delete the fucking thing.
Oh, we can help you if you need.
We can help you.
Maybe another time. By the way, Alex gotta change his too because his full name is that too.
Yeah. I think he changed it to Alec the Bone on Twitter.
No, he didn't actually.
No, I'm talking about YouTube. I'm talking
another
about
thing.
YouTube.
On YouTube, he needs to. On Twitter, he only changed his nickname, not his username.
Oh, but his username is just. Isn't it just Alexander? Isn't it fine?
I think it might be on Twitter. Not on Twitter, but okay, on YouTube, it needs to change it. But that will be fixed before this video comes out either way, so there's not talking about that thing right now. We'll fix that later. Is there any more we want to talk about, or do we stop the podcast now, or?
Nah, bro, we gotta get 1 hour in, bro.
1 hour?
We gotta get all. Yeah.
No?
Gotta we nearly add 1 hour,
we have 13 minutes, bro. 13 minutes.
So we got 13 minutes to burn time. I actually know something that can burn our time.
We should make an IRL, hear me out, cake. And my first thing is Wally.
Yo, guys.
What?
I'm gonna make it, guys. I'm gonna make it.
I don't know what we're making, but do it.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Oh no. No.
Yo, guys, we got it. So, folks is big backed.
Ooh, cake.
So we gotta hear me out, cake, guys.
Light it. Gotta light it. Light the candle.
So, who you got? We gotta hear me out. Who has a hear me out they want to share with us all?
The Minecraft TNT block.
No.
Hear me out, guys. Guys, hear me out, guys. Over here, guys. Hear me out, guys. It has yes, yeah.
But bro, the Minecraft TNT block leaves you broken, bro. and it destroys everything.
I
It
want
takes
to
the
hear
house,
your
bro.
hear me. I want to hear
It-
you hear me out then. Your worst hear me
Okay,
out
okay.
ever.
I don't got I don't got words hear me out, bro. It's only the good hear me out. Oh, I'm saying maybe we gotta sit down. We just gotta hear me out cake and just sitting it down and talking about. Okay, the hear me. I got one hear me out. Alex from Minecraft. She knows what she's
Goodbye,
doing.
guys. Excuse
What,
me.
bro? You want me to say something else?
Honestly, anything else would have been better.
The glass block. It knows what it's doing. Or you want that? You want that? Joking. You know, folks. What are
That's my beautiful, beautiful name, my friend.
Yo, maybe we gotta stop this hear me out segment because I'm joking. I'm definitely saying the shovel from Minecraft.
The shovel?
It knows what it's doing, bro.
Guys, he has a crush on this thing.
Bro, you said a TNT block, bro.
Is it a shovel?
Yeah, bro.
Next thing, I have a hear me out, guys.
No, but we got a Vampira, bro. Oh, Vampira's gone.
What is it called? guys, we're gonna see them.
Are you saying it? Can you just say the server right now, bro?
I have returned.
Here we go, guys. This way, guys, is Doom's hear me out, okay?
No, folks, is hear me out. Is the N-Rod.
Ain't no way.
He loves long
Okay, then
lighting
I'm going to
things.
tell you guys Doom's thing. It is a debug stick.
Okay, maybe we're gonna get to another topic right now because
Yes,
I think we're getting
topic.
too much dissing.
Yes.
Um,
What's your?
But by the way, the hear me out cake is gonna be here for the rest of the episode.
Yeah. Weirdest
Wait, I have a hear
red
me out.
flags. Doomed.
Oh. Vampire.
Oh,
What did you say,
Vampire.
Vampire?
I have a hot take, and people are probably gonna kill me. I fucking hate hot dogs. They're so gross.
But dude, if you wanted a hot dog, would you put ketchup on it?
If I had, then yes. It's
Okay.
the sauce. I hate it.
Oh,
If
what you
only
hate
it's
about
sauce.
what you hate about hot dogs?
Sausage. I hate it.
Oh,
It's
So
You
if
hate-
you wait.
You hate
So-
wieners.
Shut the fuck up, Doomed.
What?
Vampire. Chicken hot dogs. What do you think?
What?
A chicken hot dog.
Chicken or what?
Chicken
Oh.
hot dog.
I
Like,
don't think
why
I've
put
tried
chicken
fries.
in it instead of the sausage?
Instead of pork.
It's a pork. It's a
I
chicken.
have never tried it,
Oh.
but I
Haven't
can
you
only
tried?
imagine it will be better. I mean,
We
I
should-
would like to try.
We
it
should
at
like
some
show
point.
up to her house, bro, and like give her one her hot dog.
Like we gave her cat food.
We can cat food. Just show up and give her a hot dog. We should,
we have a funny
no,
story.
We should like show up.
Let me
house,
tell.
give her a hot dog,
May-
and
may-
then just like go again.
May I tell? May I tell them the story?
Yes.
Yes,
Tell the
please
story.
do it.
Okay.
Please
Okay.
do it.
We were out in the city.
We went Aldi.
Uh,
Actually, we went Aldi back when everything was in Denmark. We went Aldi and we found cat food. And then Doom will tell us what happened from then.
um,
Found the cat food.
we maybe we did maybe we're gonna say it but this is at our part. Vampire probably remembers something different, but we said to our people, I said to Alec, we should get Alec dog food.
Mhm.
But it was too expensive. So we wanted to give Vampira some other. Then we just wanted to give someone something funny. So we called Vampira and asked what food what flavor cat food her cat likes, and she said what you said
Birds. Thing with birds. in
Bir-
it,
birds.
Like chicken and
So we gave her, I don't remember what flavor it was, but it was bird.
pretty sure
I
it was
think, was it chicken
I think so.
or was it turkey? Could you buy turkey? Folks, you're muted, bro.
I don't think
Folks, you're
the only bird that was chicken actually flavored.
okay,
None of them
okay.
bought them chicken.
But
They
but
were
it was
dog food.
actually funny. We bought it and just went to Vampira's house and said, "Yo!" and then we gave her
Cat
we
food.
gave her the cat food and just
left.
just went away. Just
I
left,
think
you know.
Vampire found it less funny than we did.
But I gotta ask, what were your thoughts after that? After
What
we
your
came
thoughts?
with the cat food?
Honestly, first of all, thanks because you just gave me fucking cat food. Second of all, it was fucking hilarious.
I'm just
Let's
saying, what
go.
did your parents and your sister react?
I don't remember exactly, but I at least told them, hey, the guys were like, hey, you want some fucking cat food or some shit? And I said yes, because I don't know, I didn't think about it. And then you just came with cat food. So my parents were like, what are they here about? Oh, they just wanted to give me cat food. And then we had cat food. I think I gave my cat some right at that point. Like,
Did your cat actually like it?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
she liked it.
Did I say he or she?
You said
I
she,
don't.
I think.
Okay. It's because maybe we go. Should we bring it up with your cat or should we
No,
not?
let's wait for that actually. Let's wait for that. Let's start picking that kind of things up.
Sure.
Let's,
Let's not break the humor down. It's sad, you know. It's
It's sad,
always
but-
sad when people.
when things
You know
start, but
what
it's yeah, we know what happened. Yeah. So let's not talk about that part today.
It was not us who killed the cat. I'm just saying, it was not us.
It was not them.
It was not us that killed the cat, okay?
Uh,
Definitely wasn't our cat food that killed the cat, okay, guys?
I think I know what happened to her because she died and then the vet had taken a scan of her and found out she had some big I don't know what it's called, but some big like thing in her liver, I think it was, and some other dots. So we think she had cancer. And now when I look back at that and think about her behavior, it seems like she had probably had basically her entire adult life. So it wasn't their fault. It just happens sometimes.
I also have had cats in the past.
Imagine having a pet.
Bro, just saying, they're all dead right now. But I got
It was because Doomed ate them all.
nah. Actually, the first one was too old. I think I don't actually remember because it's long ago. We were very small. Um, but the second one was he wasn't very old. He was actually still a kitten. So do you say kitten? Like a kitty or something, a small child.
Yeah, that's a kid.
Isn't it?
That's a kitten.
Kitten.
That's a kitten.
Okay. But
Kitty.
wasn't it was found, it was technically lost. Thanks for the important, you could just have said it, you know. Because I think they can't read the chat.
No. Doomed, you, my friend, will put this thing in this picture right into the video.
Have you
I know
taken a picture of it?
I'm taking a screenshot of it, and then you can put it into the video because I know you love editing podcast videos.
Yo, by the way, guys, let's get folks to edit this video. I'm joking.
We don't know in this thing, bro. I didn't want to edit it, bro. I hate working, guys.
Okay, my the kitten died because it didn't get enough mother's milk. So its immune system wasn't built up enough. So technically, a small cold, for example, would have gotten much more worse. So it was sick. We should give it. We gave it pills, but at last we just said maybe it's best if we put it down. We all were sad. But maybe it was best for the kitten. But we got another.
If the cat
Funniest
was
name.
always going to be like that, I think probably it was better because if the cat was so sensitive, it could easily have died in some worse ways than that.
And the other one died because it had crystals in its balls. As actually a newer one, it died because actually because what I'm gonna say it in Danish, and maybe folks knows the English words. Bedøvelse.
I don't know, but
I'm gonna
they
find
don't
out.
feel pain and they're typically not awake. Anesthesia?
Um,
I don't know.
I think it's anesthesia.
Yeah,
I don't know
anesthesia. It's
that.
anesthesia. It's
And
anesthesia, guys.
We-
It's anesthesia.
It had crystal balls. I don't know.
What is
It
crystal
has
balls?
I don't know what it is. It is. My parents just told me it had crystal balls, so we had to get it to the vet. Apparently it was too late because it died from getting anesthesia. So when actually they were supposed to give it go to the operation, it already died. So
Wait,
it
how old was the cat? How old was the cat?
I don't. It was older than the kitten, definitely, because it was like
An adult.
got it before. Yeah, it was an adult. Young adult, I guess, or old. But we got an old ass kitten. Also, he actually was older than the two of them combined, bro. I think he was 21 or something, 22 or something. He was a very old cat. Um,
And was that
um,
the cat got anesthesia or was that another cat?
another. We had like maybe 5, but before I was born, we had.
Oh my god, these two people are bonding over freaking cats.
Yes. But
That's amazing.
that cat. My parents got the cat from like my grandpa's one of my grandpa's friends because he couldn't take care of it or because there where she's gonna live there was no cats no policy for pets. There was a no policy for pets, so you couldn't have pets there. So the pets picked. So she gave us her cat. She gave us her cat. And we lived with it. Actually, it was sweet, you know. But the first one I talked about, if you remember, I talked about it died or it got put down. My parents told me how they got it. It was a stray. They took in a stray kitten at that time. I wasn't alive when they took it in.
That's the problem about stray cats and such cats. You have no guarantee on how old they get because even if the cat itself is born in a domesticated area, if the parents are the stray, they have a higher risk of dying early.
I didn't know what age the cat was or when it you know, it was sad. You know, he was a big part of the family at the time, but it was you know, when our last cat died, the old one, that was actually our last cat. It survived it survived the first kitten. It survived through all of that, all of the death, and it
That's
died.
a
It
little
died
fucked.
and we put it down because it got some strokes, I guess. Sometimes it got a stroke. We know, and it was very old, so we put it down for reasons. But then we don't got. Then after that, we just sold all the cat stuff and stopped having pets. We recently got chickens, I guess. Um, and it because we moved, so I'm not at my old place anymore.
Oh
Um,
yeah, that's right. You moved. I gotta see those chickens whenever you have birthday or some shit.
yeah, that's actually going to be a fun birthday party. I'm
Yeah,
thinking of.
chicken party.
But we also got some small birds. I don't know what name it is. Uh, I don't know what. Huh? Uh, we also got some small birds. Uh, so on Danish it's called dværgvagtel, but we don't. I don't actually know what the English translation is. Because I have just searched it up and it's the wrong thing. So, um,
It's a bird. It's just a fucking bird, dude. It's a dwarf
it's it's
something
it's
something bird.
it's 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 a it's a bird. Bro.
It's a button quail or quail. I think yes,
Is it?
it's a button quail, or it can also be named a Chinese painted quail. But I think that's more that's. Let's use button quail.
Button quill. It's
Button
button
quill.
quill.
Button quail.
But we have two of them. They're good in. I'm good at. I know what I'm supposed to say, but I don't know how to word it. You know, we always love
Just,
that.
just make a bed and send
Uh,
it and then call it a day.
yeah, that's crazy. Greenhouse. Um, we
Oh,
they're good if they are in the greenhouse, but the greenhouse we got, it's kind of destroyed, so it's gotta get fixed up before they can get into there. But we got like two a place where they are right now. Uh, so they're chilling, I guess. We get eggs and all that, but that's actually only they're in a cage. Like we have two, a big cage and another cage. Um, huh?
Anyway, guys.
um, um, yo, I think
Guys?
we can talk about pets in another because I
We'll make
think
a pet special one, guys. We'll make a special one only about pets, okay? And then it'll probably be a 0.5 window.
yo guys, yo guys.
Before we go real quickly, we have a cat now, which is the podcast cat. It's called Salmon.
good name.
Because Salmon was the thing I used to tame it with.
I don't think they can
Salmon.
see. I'm in
Oh,
front of the camera.
The human outbreak is
Oh, yeah,
anyway, I think.
They can be seen. They can be seen. They can be seen. They can be seen. They can be seen.
I just removed it, you know, because
Yeah, this is
it's
Salmon.
end of the episode.
I just do it as something.
Episode 1. How we all feeling? We got the first episode down.
That's how I feel.
At first, yeah. I think I'm happy. I don't have to edit this shit, so I'm happy enough actually.
Yeah, folks.
Dude,
You
I'll
gotta
be
send
sending
me
you
the-
all of the things, and then you just go editing, and I will go, I don't know, sleep or something.
Nah, you gotta help me, bro.
If that's it, guys, if I have to help Doom, if I help Doom this session, then this is the last
he's gonna
ever
do well.
podcast episode because I hate helping them. See ya.
Nah, maybe he's just gonna help me first, and then I'm gonna do food. But folks, get him. Yo, guys, let's all go out and let summon Salmon be in here, and just go out and then
Yeah, what
you
if
know,
us
end-
three we
end
just
it.
leave now and it actually, yeah. See you guys. Goodbye.
See
Someone
ya,
else
guys.
a ball by chance? No.
What?
I need a cat ball for him. I need two. One for water, one for food. He also need a little box, by the way.
Maybe we're gonna do that after.
Let's do it afterwards, actually. We have to go now, though.
I'm gonna make him go.
This was the podcast episode 1.
You know,
Vampire-
the first
Vampiro?
episode.
No.
Say I like this episode. If you wanted to
is
see
sad.
more, subscribe to One Chance Group and subscribe to One Chance SMP because it's better.
While we are at it, you can also find our podcast account on Spotify and like.
She's building shit. Yeah.
I couldn't find any item frames that I could use.
I'm trying to build a little box.
Oh, fair.
Oh, maybe we're not gonna ruin the room.
Not
Just
this
because-
at least. Actually, just wait for the intro. We put it over here or something. Hey guys, let's remove this thing. And then we put a cat tree or something for Salmon.
I had gravel for cat litter. We're gonna get.
Guys, I think we should make that after the episode
Yeah, let's
because then we
make,
can switch something up.
We will put a
Um,
picture of this thing. Like we will show it in the next episode. I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
Goodbye,
we will
guys.
show what we built in the next episode.
Yeah.
I
want you all to go down in the chat and in the comment section and say goodbye Salmon or something. I don't know. And then we'll go now. I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Want to check
Doors
cabinets or
open.
something? I don't know.
Who goes first?
Oh wait, doesn't this kind of look like a little box?
It could. Yes. Let's go now though. Actually, Vampira.
This is gonna
Yeah.
be a little box. for
Let's
now,
go
at
now.
least.
Let's go. The door's open.
Come
on.
on. Come on. See ya.